again, palakpakan nyo sarili nyo for being here. And today, this is our, di ko na mabilang pang 5 na ba to? Still, enjoy tayo and welcome to our Bristol Bristol Ride and Chill. Guys, ang ulitin ko, Ride and Chill Amadeo 2022.
Hi everyone, we're here at the Bristol Aeros ride for October at a place in Amadeo, Cavite called H Forestville. We've got billiards, swimming, mini golf. It was about a 2-hour ride to get here. And these Bristol rides we try and do on a monthly basis. And starting from now, we actually bought these Bristol jerseys, and there is a charitable cause behind these purchases, which we're going to add in every Bristol Aero ride from now on. So whether that is orphanages or helping the elderly, these things are very important to Bristol and our Bristol Aeros here. So, you know, when I think of these Bristol rides, yes, they're fun for us, but knowing that we're giving back to the community as well just makes it more fulfilling. The great thing is that you don't have to be an expert rider, because we always try and get these rides in. We start off in the morning, we're back by lunchtime, and we all take an easy pace. It's all about safety here. Now, this isn't the only Bristol event that Bristol Aeros get together for. We also have tan bikes where, you know, we enjoy evenings together rather than breakfast, and it's a chance for people to get to know each other even more. So it's almost like a brotherhood in a way, where people just come and break bread and enjoy each other's company. I've certainly met new people going on these rides monthly, and I hope that you guys become part of it too.